Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. We are on Buganda Road, right where we stopped yesterday. On the left, that is Watoto Church, the one for downtown. And on the right, that is the Senana building, the one with Senana supermarket and the furniture shops and all those other things that are going on there. Yeah, if you go straight forward, that is still Buganda Road. Then if you take the right, that is Chagwe Road. If you take the left, Chagwe Road as well. But you see our streets. Let me show you so yesterday you came with me all the way from Acacia Mall, Acacia area, John Babiha there you came with me. And now this is us. We are approaching downtown. We are going to drop our client and then we go back the other side of uptown. You see all these border guys. Are you seeing? This is a very, very big business. Hey, mwenomdao. On the right, we have Equatorial Mall. On the left, we have KCB Bank. If you take the left, that is Arua Park. Taking the left on foot, if you're driving, do not take the left. That is a one way. They will get you, and the police officers are usually there. Yeah, if you go straight forward, down there, we have the Gaddafi Mosque. I don't know if you're seeing it down there. We have the Gaddafi Mosque. This is Chagwe Road, but now we are joining William Street. This street here is William Street. On the left, we have Power Bank, which used to be Post Bank. On the right, this is Equatorial Mall. It has a hotel, it has a mall, many shops in there. You can even get lost in there when you're walking. But this is us moving forward slowly here. That is also still part of Equatorial, all that you're seeing on the right. On the left here, we have the KCCA. We have offices of KCCA over there on the left. And this is us going through. We are going through. This is William Street all the way up to Bombo Road. Yeah. So these are the buildings that we have here. These are the businesses. Which businesses do we have here? Anyway, we were dropping our client here and then we were going to carry on and go all the way and then go up the other side. Akwegamba, just sit down and calm down and let's look at this. Let's look at what is going on in our city on a rainy day. Hey, we have a stationery over there. Is that M&G? M&G stationery on the right. Of course, you know what they sell in a stationery. Then we have a school somewhere here. Are you seeing the students? You're seeing the students are going back home. But these students, they usually send them back home for school fees. They can be there in town walking around, or whether they send them for fees or for what, I don't know. But we do have a school somewhere here on the left, that one, those students that you're seeing. So, of course, evening hours, the students are going back home, and then the people are leaving work for home as well. Kwegamba katogo kelele, but nonetheless, the hustle has to be hustled. So, muje. William Street behind here, we have tires, SMK tires, somewhere there on the right. Then we have Bat Valley here on the left. You're seeing that school there, yeah? That is the Bat Valley Primary School. They have an auditorium. They have, what else do they have? They have quite a lot going on there. And of course, if any of you here went to Bat Valley, come on, say hello to us in the comments and we'll say hello right back. The students of Bat Valley, those ones used to know the whole city. Bat Valley, Buganda Road, those students, you see them, you find them walking in Pioneer Mall, in the park, here, there, all over the place. They are all over the place. That is all I can say. So, somewhere on the right, we have Novik Hospital. Somewhere on the right there. You cannot see it, but me, I know it's there. So, take my word for it. Take my word for it. We have Novik Hospital on the right. Then, on the left, we have Teacher's House. Now here, if you take the left, you see that road going down on the left. It takes you to Chiseka. We have traffic lights here these days. But there, if you take the left, like that taxi, like that car, takes you all the way up to Chiseka. But now this is us moving forward, and we are going to take the right and go up there. We are going back uptown because now during these hours, downtown is something else. You cannot handle even if you wanted to. Look at this. You see what is going on. So anyway, over there on the left, up front there on the left, you're seeing Bible House, right? That big building, that very big one. Bible House is for the Catholics, right? I'm not sure, but I think it's for the Catholics. The ones who also own the centenary and all that. If I'm not right, please correct me in the comments. But that's what I think. If you go straight forward, you would go all the way up to Wandegeya. You see there in front. If you keep on going, it takes you all the way up to Wandegeya. But now, you guys, we need scrubbing. We did serious. We did serious scrubbing of these streets, because what in the what is this? Let me just show you. But even if they scrub and the potholes, because now you see, even if they scrub and the potholes are still there, it is the same thing, because the soil, the brown soil will still come from the potholes and these sidewalks that are not paved, and from there, but still, okay, will make a little difference. You know what I mean? So this is us moving forward. Now we are going up Nakasero. On the right there, you're seeing the building on the right, the NSSF towers over there on the right. Now we have joined Buganda Road again. I know we started on Buganda Road. That's where we ended yesterday's evening video. And this is us joining Buganda Road once again. On the right, we have Case, you know, Case Hospital. It's a hospital, it's not a medical center. There on the right, that is the Case Hospital. Very big hospital, quite a lot goes on there. You remember those stories of Radio, the late Radio, the best singer in the whole Africa? Yeah, they happened there. The building that you're looking at over there up front on the right, NDA, National Drug Authority. That is where they make the medicine. Do they make it? And I don't think they make it from there. I think those are just the offices. National Drug Authority, you know, to approve the medicine, to say that your medicine is safe to be, you know, to be given to the population, and this and that. National Drug Authority is over there. This is still Buganda Road, crossing through all the way. If you go down, you would meet Wandegeya. Going down, you would meet Wandegeya. But now there is a middle thing in the road. You wouldn't go to the right, you would just go to the left, if you know what I mean. Yeah? Now, this is us going up on Wandegeya Road. This road here is Wandegeya Road. Now you're seeing that up this side, the chaos is not as much as down there where we have been. Where we have been, it was something else. The borders were all over the place. The cars were all over the place. Everything was all over the place in general. But now up this side, we don't have a worry. We are just going to cruise. Maybe the traffic jam, because now up this side we have cars for the corporate people. We have cars for the corporate people. You know what I'm saying? So iron sheets on the right over here. Of course, you know the drill. New building is coming up. Up front, that is the Nigerian High Commission. If you want the visa for Nigeria and whatever else, that's the Nigerian High Commission. On the left, we have the IOM, the one for the Ethiopians and the Somalis. They usually come there on the left. This is Nakasero Road, this road that we are on, all the way up to the other side of the junction. You know the junction that has Sheraton? It's going to be Nakasero Road all the way up to there. Of course, on the right, you can see over there the NSSF towers, very, very tall, the tallest building. Tallest building in Kampala at the moment. It is there, up in the... Actually, no, it's also not up in the sky, but it is there. It is somewhere up there. And then we've just passed by car bonds, the people who sell cars. We have some cars being sold there. We have Smokey's restaurant on the left over there. We have the Embassy of South Africa on the left as well there. They even have the Bupande there. And now, guys, the traffic here was nasty. All I can say is the traffic uptown, when it decides to traffic, it is something else. So you see this road crossing through, it would take you where we started the video. It would take you down to Buganda Road. That is Chagwe Road, the one crossing through, yeah? And now here we have a school over here on the right, Sir Apollo Kagwa. There, Sir Apollo Kagwa. We are still on Nakasero Road, all the way up to the junction. When I say that no more Nakasero Road, yes, no more Nakasero Road. But now, you see these areas that have the sidewalks that are made, and then the grass that is planted besides the sidewalks. You see that the roads are not as dirty as the ones the other side where we passed. You see what I'm talking about, right? We have some grass there, then the sidewalks are paved very well there, and then the street is not as dirty. The other ones is like over someone is making bricks, balinga basota kadongo, balinga bali mukadongo. Anyway, guys, this is the second video of the day. In case you missed the first one, please check it out on the channel. We were on Gaba Road. We were moving from the Kampala flyover all the way up to the Gaba market. So this is the evening video. Remember, these days we have 2 videos a day. Video biddy. As I keep on saying, I get these things for you. Me, I know all the streets. I know how all these things look like everywhere, all over the place. So I record this for you to watch and enjoy and think about your life, and of course listen to me threatening you that if you don't make the money, I will kid you. So make sure you drop by and you see what's going on in the city and you know, wherever else. And of course, you know, I have to tell you to make money, because money is the goal, and we are going to make this money legally or illegally. We are going to make this, whether it wants to or not. We are going to make this money. We are going to invest this money, and we are going to do better. Yeah. Do better, give ourselves the nice things, because, well, you know. And of course the Chiboko, that one is there, very, very there. Chiboko Weli, and you know the rules by now. I don't even have to keep on repeating myself over and over. You know the requirements on the list. So on the left here, we have a National Water and Sewerage Corporation, and there is parking in there. I don't know if there's the same thing, or maybe the parking is within the office, or the office is within the parking, but there is parking in there. Many people come and park there. Or whether parking is this one down here. Many people come and park there, then they go to work, and in the evening they come and they pick their cars, and then they go back home. So on the right here, we do have Renzori courts there on the right. They have insurance, they have Brussels Airlines, they have quite a lot going on there on the right. Quite a lot going on there. And now, of course, this junction, you know, because we've been here countless times, a number of times, countless times. And we are not going to go down there today. We are coming up here, but we came from down there in yesterday's video. Yeah, in case you watched yesterday's evening video, where it stopped, it's where this one has started. So on the right we have Sheraton. This is Tanan Avenue. That is Sheraton Hotel over there on the right. It is the one for over these years, over the years, whenever, wherever, Sheraton is over there. And then on the left, we have the Constellation Apartments. I've talked to you about those ones, right? Right? We have talked about the Constellation Apartments and the price for staying there for a night. And by now, I hope all of you are working harder and better. Anyway, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. And when I get a chance to pass by, I will definitely bring you those areas, yeah? Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel. People paying for membership, thank you very much. And everybody at large, thank you guys for the support. Yeah, I do airport pickups and drop-offs. My number is there on the screen. Please reach out and let's talk about business. Business, those things we've talked about. I don't have to keep on repeating myself and reminding you that there is not something but business. So anyway, this is Chintu Road over here. Somewhere on the right where we've passed, we have Imperial Royal Hotel. Then opposite Imperial Royal, we have the Indiro Coffee. Indiro Coffee, you know, they have branches all over town, here and there and all that. On the right, we have Serena. Yeah, on the right here, what you're seeing on the right, the trees you're seeing, the fence you're seeing, the cars going in there, that is Serena Hotel on the right. We passed by Sheraton, now this is Serena. And on the left, we have SM Chambers. You're seeing the people's offices. Things are going on. Things are going on. Things are happening. On the left, we have the Development Bank. You know, the one that we usually see when we are coming from the other side, yeah? Then on the left again, that's the Crested Towers. You know, the one that has Stanbic Bank, and there is an MTN office, and there are restaurants. There is quite a lot going on there, but that's the head office of Stanbic. I am in Stanbic, and I haven't really got any issue with them, so I think they are quite good. On the right, there, still Serena. Then up front there, that is your new parliament, the new parliament that is coming on board, the one that you're going to see, and where the people are going to sit as they make the rules for you. Yeah. So, we passed here in yesterday's video, but now we are going to take the other side a little bit, then end up in Garden City. That is why I've brought you this side. So, this is now Avenue. Of course, you know by now because we've passed here countless times. And that is the roundabout of Yusuf Lole. We are taking the left. If you take the right, it takes you to where we came from yesterday, and down to Ginger Road. But now this is us taking the left. On the right, that is Garden City, you know, the hotel, and then the mall, and of course you're seeing all these nice buildings here. The new buildings are being unveiled, the buildings are building, the development is developing. Guys, I don't even know what to tell you, because everyone is out there doing the most. People are not sleeping, just like I usually tell you. People are not sleeping, nobody is sleeping. Yeah, everyone is kuyiya, everyone is thinking of what to do next. So anyway, we want the second turn, because as I keep on telling you, it is the second turn. It is never the first turn. If you're on the road and you want to go to the other side, look for the second one, not for the first one. And also the people who are on this side, if they want to come the other side, they look for the second one, so that you have order on the road. Okay, that is how they made the things. So this is Yusuf Lule Road, and over here on the left we have Garden City, and we are going to go into the mall. There, find some parking, and that will be it for today, as I will be seeing you tomorrow. Yeah, so be good people, take care of yourselves. Let's look for the money, legally or illegally. We are making this money. Protect yourselves, guys. If it's it's not safe. The diseases are there, they are many, they are flying all over the place. Protect your energy. 20 million gang, guys, you already know that Chiboko is here. 20 million gang, nothing in your name gang. Today, just national ID. Nze chapaswa yule migo paka we munandonya sente. By the way, guys, thank you for being here. Be good people. Please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel. We have a membership video every week, one video a week. And of course, the people paying for membership, thank you very much, guys. And for the support in every way, anyway. Bambi, thank you, guys. And I'll be seeing you tomorrow, yeah? All right, bye-bye. Take care. See ya.